Hi, Sahil. How are you?
I'm good. How are you, sir?
Very good. Sahil, I think we are meeting for the first time, right?
Yeah, that's right. It's our first meeting.
Okay,
Great.
great.
Nice to meet you.
Same here, same here.
Yeah.
So, can you please tell me something about yourself in 10-15 seconds so that we can go ahead for the session?
Yeah, sure. No problem. So my name is Sahil and I have done my graduation and currently I'm working in MNC.
Okay, that is good. Which place are
Yep.
you from, by the way?
I'm from Pune, Maharashtra.
Okay. How is everything
Yeah.
there? The weather and all?
Awesome. Awesome. Everything is going well
Okay.
and fantastic. So I would
I
like to
really,
know about you. Yeah.
sure. First of
Yeah.
all, I really like the vibe that you have, like
Yeah.
smiling and all. This is very good.
Yeah.
For
Thank
a
you.
confident speaker, it seems very good. Good.
Yeah.
Now, you wanted to know about myself. So my name is Vipul Pant, as you can see it flashing on the screen.
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
am a soft skills trainer. I am a personality development trainer. I've been
Yeah.
training students in colleges, schools, in different places in India. Apart
Yeah.
from that, I've also been a writer for newspapers like the Times of India, the Hindu, etc. So this is
Wow.
about me. And yeah, let's get started. Nothing wow about it. Come on, it's a normal
Because
thing.
already you have done so much in your life, so I thought,
Yeah, you
yeah, okay.
so not so much. I have still to do a lot of things. It's just
Okay.
something.
Okay,
Okay,
fine,
let's
fine.
let's get started, Sahil,
Okay,
and let's
before
speak. Yeah,
I'm
please,
sorry to
please. Go.
interrupt you. Yeah.
Sure.
So
Tell
before
me.
we move to our topic, I have few
Mhm.
questions to ask you. Okay,
Please.
as
Mhm.
I got to know your experience and your skills, so I thought I should ask you
Okay.
few questions.
hmm hmm
So yes, it's all about public speaking skill.
Sure.
Yeah.
Tell me.
So just according to me, I'm
hmm
sorry, according to you, what is the
hmm
importance of public speaking skill and why it is required?
It's a very vast question, and I think it can take even days to answer it. But I'll tell you in brief that
Just
yeah, in brief,
yeah,
I'll tell you. I
yeah,
know the question is very interesting as well at the same time.
yeah,
So when you speak of public speaking, where is
yeah,
it not? Right? First of all, let's see, is there any area where it is not used? I don't think so. Even if you are working in an MNC,
yeah,
even if you have an accounting job, you'll have to go through an interview before that to get that job, right?
yes,
Your mark sheet would take you inside the room, but what
yeah,
would make you stay in the room is your skill, public speaking
yes,
skill, problem solving skill, communication skill, leadership skills, all those skills. Apart from that, if you speak of public speaking, it's very important when it comes to leading a team. Like, for
yes,
example, you are in an MNC. Later on, maybe
yeah,
you might have got this opportunity to lead a team, or you would be getting it later. So in
yeah,
that case, you have to be a very good speaker. You think of all the successful in the people in the world who are leading, tech giants in the world. Now you'll find that all the people who are the CEOs of such companies or founders of such companies are very good with their work, but at the same time with speaking. You can think of
yeah,
likes of Steve Jobs. He was also called a talking head. People do complain that he was not very good with technology. He could sell anything to anyone. Come on, and I think that is the most valuable skill that a person can have now, right now. So in brief, I would say it's an omnipresent profession that you
yeah,
have to have in any kind of profession that you are in. So public speaking skills are very, very important. And what was the
uh,
second part of the question? Sorry.
yeah. So I think you already answered. Yeah,
Okay.
I did ask why it is required. So
Yeah, it
I'm
is
clear on
required
this.
to first of all to get a job, then to stay in that job and to pass through all the appraisals in normal
Yes,
layman's language.
yes,
Apart from
yes.
that, you would see your bosses also would be very good with communication skills. If not, they would be replaced very soon, frankly, because this is the generation of good speakers. So you have to be very good at speaking. So my
Yes.
my cousin actually is settled in Canada. Just one story. So he's
Yeah,
settled
sure.
in Canada, and I asked him what's the difference between us and them. Like,
Hmm.
how are they better than us? How is that country better than ours? So he
Yeah.
said there's nothing better in them. They're
Hmm.
asking us to make things for them. We're getting better opportunities there. That is why we're there. But at the
Hmm.
end of the day, even if they have to sell me a normal cream, this is a hand
Hmm.
cream. So if
Yeah.
they want to sell this hand cream to me, they will tell it in such a way that it would become immense in my mind and I would be driven to buy that thing.
Oh,
that
yeah.
that importance, that is very important, right? That to create that significance in someone's life, that is what is public speaking is all about, and
Yes.
this is the
And
essence of it.
yeah. All right. All right. Thank you so much. And
Mm.
just could you tell me the tips how to develop that skill?
Okay,
Yeah.
first of all, it's not something that you have in yourself by birth. People
Yeah.
would tell you you either are a good speaker or you are not a good speaker. Come
Yeah.
on, you were not born with speaking skills, so how can you be born with public speaking skills? Right, you learn how to
Actually.
speak later on, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
So if you learn how to speak later on, then you would also learn how to speak good later on in life. So
Yes.
when you grow up, how much do you observe? People always say that how to develop public speaking skill, they would only work on their speech. I think that is the stupidest thing to do in this world. People would guide you. Be very
Yes.
good voice modulator, speak in different expressions, always keep smiling or use your hands and all.
Yeah.
At the end of the day, these things matter, but above it, what matters the most is your critical thinking.
Mm-hmm.
You might have seen a lot of commentators, like Harsha Bogle is a very famous commentator. I've been
Yeah.
following him for what, since the beginning of my life. Whatever I have heard in commentary, I think he has been the guru of commentary for me.
Yeah.
So I have seen that he has never in his life made a single mistake while commentating. I have found mistakes of a lot of people, but I cannot catch Harsha Bogle, because even if he's going to make a mistake, he would
Mm-hmm.
turn the statement in such a way. He has that
Okay.
presence of mind that he would
Okay.
end up being correct, right? So that
Okay.
is what is required in public speaking. You have to be in the moment, you have to be present in the moment, and you have to be very excited and very spontaneous. But at the same time, you have to be very creative and clever while speaking. So good speakers are
Okay.
always clever. They can turn things around as per the requirement of the room. So
Yes.
that
Yes.
is something that I feel, that cleverness should be there, not cunningness,
Mm-hmm.
but cleverness,
Yeah.
and it should be a very positive outlook. And in terms of developing it, I believe the most important thing is observation. If I
Mm-hmm.
see a leaf falling down from the tree, I can write a poetry about it. I can
Okay.
write a big passage about it. Some people
Okay.
might not be able to do it. Why? Because
Mm-hmm.
they're not observing it at all. So
Yeah.
it's upon your observation. People, God has given this opportunity to everyone, this skill to everyone to observe anything. Now
Mm-hmm.
it's upon you. Now,
Yeah.
how do you express that thing? By reading such content. See, we
Mm-hmm.
are not gods. We cannot create a new thing. Can I create a new face? Can you create a new face? No, we cannot do it. Otherwise, we
Yeah.
would have been gods. We can just create a face which resembles the last face that we saw, or some face that we saw in our life, right? So this
Yeah.
experiment actually happened in the Cambridge University. A group of
Mm-hmm.
people who were artists were called
Mm-hmm.
and asked to make a new face. They
Okay.
failed. That face somehow resembled with the other face that they had seen, or some faces that were there in the class already, right? So we
Yeah.
cannot create something new, but we can take it from different things. Like we can steal like an artist. This is what it is
Mm-hmm.
called, stealing like an artist, like taking the best things out of different people. That is what observation helps in. So observation, reading, that's very very important. Like
Okay.
you should go through books which are very
Mm-hmm.
important. Like some books have been really significant in my life. Books
Mm-hmm.
like The Psychology of Money, Sapiens, all these books are very interesting. You can go through them. It would not
Okay.
only enrich your content, but at the same time it would also make you a person who has a very good vocabulary. That is also a very
Mm-hmm.
significant part of public speaking. So observation and expression, these are the two things which are very important in public speaking. If you master it, you can master public speaking. That is it. And
Okay.
anecdotes,
Okay. Great.
stories, you should be a very good storyteller, right? And for that you have to, I somehow believe that you have to be a liar also in life. Because
Oh my
if
God.
you don't tell yourself this lie that you are confident, see, I tell this to myself every day that I am confident. Only then I
Yeah.
am able to speak to different people,
Yes. Yes.
right? If you
Yeah.
speak to yourself and say that you are not confident, you are underconfident, then you'll stay
Mm-hmm.
underconfident for the rest of your life, right? Don't tell
Yes.
yourself
Yes.
what you are, because the closest ears to our mouth are ours. So we can
Yeah.
hear ourselves and we'll believe in that, right? So
Yeah.
don't
Yeah.
tell yourself that you are underconfident. You are the most
Yes.
confident person in life, and that is what it's going to be.
Always
Okay,
tell yourself you are the best in the
you're the
world.
best. Yeah, you're the best, and there are other people like you. Otherwise, you become overconfident, right? So there are also other
Great.
people like you.
Great.
So this should be the ideology. Anything else that
Yeah.
I can help you with?
Yeah.
Any
Yeah.
more
Sure.
questions?
Sure. So what happens if I go on stage, okay, for
Mm-hmm.
giving speech and all? So
Mm-hmm.
suddenly I started shaking my legs and my
Mm-hmm.
hands and
This
starting
is pretty
losing
common.
my head. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So how to control on these things and how
First
to?
of all, the body should never become stiff. There are two reasons to it. One
Mhm.
is the ongoing fear in your mind, right? There's always this ongoing fear that I would end up becoming a joke in this room. I would
Yeah.
end up becoming the worst person in this room. And when you are in your office and then you have to
Mhm.
speak in front of people, then it is more risky. Why? Because now your job is at stake. Now your reputation is at stake. Once people
Yeah.
laugh at you and you're done and dusted. But this is what we have to overcome, right? You have a
Yeah.
wonderful smile, you have that humorous nature, so you can
Mhm.
overcome it with that, right? If you can crack jokes in the room, if you can be
Mhm.
that person that first of all laughs on himself and then on others, then nobody will laugh
Okay.
on you. Okay, this is what I
Yeah.
have learned in life. So the first
Yes.
joke I crack on myself and then I speak about others, so everyone is
Mhm.
comfortable, right? Now, seriously speaking, in public speaking, first of all, there is one Hindi saying, and I would say it in Hindi, although I'm not allowed to, but I'll just say it.
Oh
That is,
yeah,
सबसे बड़ा रोग क्या कहेंगे लोग. If you just
yeah,
keep on
exactly.
thinking what others would think, and then we'll end up being what we are already, or we would degrade ourselves rather. So I
Yes.
used to feel that when I was learning English in my school days, so I used to feel there were some days when I would be very bad with English, and those would be
Okay.
those days when I would be thinking there are other people who are better than me. So what?
Yes.
There would always be a better person than you, right? Doesn't matter. You have to be the best one version of yourself. That is what it is, right? And you have to
Exactly.
keep on updating yourself. So in terms of shaking and all, I have told you the other side, the mental side to it, that fear that goes on. you
Yeah.
you just need to overcome it by practice, by going again and again, by making
Okay.
fun of yourself, by ending
Mhm.
up being stupid and then being the smartest in the room. So this
Yeah.
is what the mantra is. Like, I still remember the first time I spoke on the stage, I had to speak about ill effects of watching television.
Mm-hmm.
So you won't believe, after 5 or 6 lines, I had to speak for 15 minutes. But after just what, 1 or 1.5 minutes, I started speaking the kinds of televisions which are available in the market. I talked about
Oh.
plasma TV, LED TV, LCD TV. Now everyone was started, they started laughing at me. Like, what a stupid person he is. He had to speak about ill effects of watching television, and he's selling
Yeah.
us televisions in a way. So I did not step down the stage. The teacher came, pulled me from the stage, but I said, no, I have to keep on speaking. I spoke for 15 minutes. I spoke
Mhm.
gibberish, rubbish, whatever came to my mind, I spoke that. But that helped me overcome my fear. So there will be a point of life wherein you will have to maybe end up making fun of yourself. That can
Mhm.
happen. But
Yeah.
keep the environment so healthy that even if you end up making fun of yourself, the next day you overcome and you do better than that. Right? See, every
Okay.
person has a discrepancy in the room. You'll find a lot of people in your office who would be stupendous, very good with public speaking.
Yeah.
But at the end of the day, they would always shake in front of their immediate bosses. Right? That happens. I've seen that happening. And they would make
Yeah,
one
that's true.
kind of grammatical error that would stay with them for the rest of their life because they don't
Mhm.
update themselves. Right? So until unless you're very comfortable in accepting your errors and making those errors in front of people, that is fine. And you have this battleground now. You have this practice ground, because
Yeah.
this is what I say, that the more you sweat in peace, the less you bleed in war. So this is peace. Sweat in peace, the less you'll bleed in war. Lesser people would laugh at you. And
Yeah.
laughing is not something which is bad. I have always sustained that. I love that. By the way, when
Yes.
people laugh, but with me,
Yeah.
not at me. Right? That is
Yeah.
very, very important.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
yeah,
That's true.
this is
Exactly.
what it is. So shaking would also stop when you become more flexible. There are some exercises also that I ask speakers to do.
Yeah.
Like, while speaking only, try to use your hands, try to,
Mhm.
make some expressions, because when you go on stage, then you have that fear. If I make that kind of expression in which I
Mm.
would look very funny, what would
Yeah.
happen then? That should not come, because you should have shown your worst face to people already, right?
Yeah.
I know
Yeah.
what
Yeah.
my worst face is. I have shown it to myself or to people. In a session also, I've done that. People have
Mhm.
laughed on me, and then my smartest face is on your face right now, right? So this is what it is. Just psychological win from
Yeah.
yourself again and again every day. Just tell
Mhm.
yourself that this is the funniest face that I can make. Now whatever is there on the screen will be the best face. That's it, right? Use your hands, just move your body a bit, be very flexible. Some people are very stiff. When I spoke for the first time, I was standing like this for 1.5 hours, like this.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
everybody started leaving the room from the back, right?
Yes.
So they would
Yes.
leave because I was very uninteresting, very, very bad. So then I realized, okay, I'll have to move my hands also. Not only content would work, my hand movement would also help. Also,
Yeah.
I'll have to be louder sometimes. When I'm
Mhm.
proud about India, my voice goes really loud. But when I
Yeah.
think about some terrorist attacks, then I feel very sad. Now this is what is emotion. This is what
Yes.
is
Yes.
voice modulation. Okay,
Correct. Correct.
just
Correct.
public speaking is a collective effort of all these areas. When you can
Mhm.
master all these areas, you will become very good. And you don't have to master it also. You just have to be good at things, right?
Yeah.
That is
Yeah.
it.
Yeah. Yeah. Great.
And keep on
Great.
observing, watch more and more videos, seek style from others. Like, I take some speaking style from Shahrukh Khan also, because he's a wonderful speaker, right? So
Yeah.
some things I like about him. I am not a very big admirer of his acting skills, because I don't like them at all. But
Uh-huh.
yeah, his speaking skills are exceptional, right? So some of
Yeah.
the things I've inherited from him also, but you won't be able to recognize that I have taken some things from him, because I have taken it as a mix from different people. So this is what
Yeah.
you do. Like an artist, you steal like an artist. Okay,
Yeah.
anything else?
Perfect. Yes. So just I would like to know about your first experience. Okay. As a public
Okay.
speaker, actually, how was that?
Yeah. So professionally, when I started it, frankly,
Yeah.
I got my first article into the newspaper when I was what, 17 or 18, I think. So
Mhm.
that
Yeah.
was the first official article, and you won't believe it came after 25 failed articles, because those
Yeah.
were failed articles because I did not know how to write. And then the 26th one got selected for the Times of India, and I was the youngest one in India then. There are
Yeah.
very young people now who are 13, 14 also have been writing. So
Yeah.
I have been defeated now. But yeah, once I was the youngest one in India. So I was called to a conclave, and there were what? Somewhere around 500 to 1,000 people. So I went there
Mhm.
and I started speaking about it. I was very overconfident at that point of time because I
Yeah.
was more like a prodigy. Like I got success very early. That success was
Mhm. Yeah.
limited, but I got success. And I used to think,
Yeah.
okay, nobody's better than me. I'm the best. I'm the best. So that came into
Yeah.
my mind. So I went there and I had prepared some stories in my mind. And I thought it would
Mm.
be really easy for me. If I can get an article on the newspaper, what is this? These are just
Yeah. Yeah.
500,000 people. Doesn't matter at all. But as soon as I went on the stage, I started shivering like hell. I thought, oh
Yeah.
my God, something is wrong. And then when I started speaking, I found myself standing like this,
Oh.
stiff, very stiff, right? I could not move also. It was walk and talk round, and I was standing like this. There were
Mm.
1,000 people, and I saw some people leaving from the back. I literally
Yeah.
saw that. And then
Mhm.
I came home and I cried a lot. I had to speak for 1.5 hours. I could barely speak for 30 minutes also. And whatever I had in my mind, it ended in 15 minutes, frankly. For the rest 15 minutes, I was speaking anything. And then I came back. I left the stage and I somehow cried deep inside. And I made
Yeah.
fun of myself, right? That happened on the stage. And then I
Yeah.
came back in my house and I said to myself that no, just writing won't help because in writing you have takes, right? If this
Yes.
doesn't look
Yes.
good, I'll change it. If this doesn't
Yes.
look good, I'll change it something else. But there
Correct.
on the
Correct.
stage, you don't have any second take. There's just
In
one
one
take,
take everything.
right? So this
Mhm.
is what it is. And then I worked hard. Then I watched a lot of videos. I think watching is very helpful.
Mhm.
Observing is very helpful. Reading is
Mhm.
very helpful.
Mhm.
Sometimes people would come to you and say, oh, you are reading book, it's so stupid, it would take a lot of time, you won't be able to complete it. I have
Yeah.
been reading a book called Sapiens for last 3 years. 3 years, can you imagine?
Oh.
And I have not been able to complete it.